Apple's entry-level iPad is finally getting a long-awaited refresh after 2.5 years. The current iPad 10, launched in 2022, has been lagging with the aging A14 chipset. However, the upcoming iPad 11 promises significant upgrades, making it one of the most exciting launches in Apple's spring lineup. Here are the 3 key features expected in the iPad 11. The iPad 11 is rumored to feature the powerful A17 Pro chip, previously seen in the iPhone 15 Pro. This upgrade will enable users to enjoy Apple Intelligence features like Image Playground, Genmoji, the all-new Siri, ChatGPT, and notification summaries. With these improvements, the iPad 11 will provide a faster and smarter user experience. The iPad 11 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6E or Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.3, offering better connectivity with reduced latency. Additionally, cellular versions of the device may feature Apple's first in-house 5G modem, delivering faster internet speeds. Apple is reportedly developing a new lower-end Magic Keyboard designed for the iPad 11. This keyboard will likely have a traditional design, moving away from the folio style of the iPad 10. According to Bloomberg, the iPad 11 is set to launch in spring 2025 alongside the iPhone SE and iPad Air. While the design is expected to remain similar to the 2022 model, the performance boost and new features will make it a major upgrade.